Hello everyone, in this class we are going to study about the loops. Loops means it executes the code as long as condition is correct. In the conditional statements we have studied that if condition is correct, code will execute one time. But in this loops, it executes the code as long as condition is correct. That means the code will execute many times. We will see it in the VS Code. For example, if I have to print the numbers from 1 to 100, should I write like cout1, cout2, cout3 like that? No, we have loops for that. Loops are of three types. The three types of loops are for loop, while loop and do while loop. First of all, we will see the for loop. For loop means the syntax for the for loop is, syntax means the way of how you write it in the program. Syntax for the for loop is this one. For keyword, first for keyword, initialization, and after that condition and the updation, and in the curly braces you will write the code that you want to execute. You will see it is in the example. If we are printing from 1 to 100, what we have in the syntax? First of all, for keyword, in the bracket initialization means the starting number you want to print here. Starting number, imagine it as 1. So int I equals to 1. Here we should take a variable. I have taken variable as I. Initialization is completed here. Int I equal to 1, or you can also take it as like I have declared a variable int I. No, okay. Here I have initialized it. I is equals to 1. So I will start from 1. And condition, second one is condition. I less than or equal to 100. Up to 100 I want to print. And after that, updation. Updation means incrementing or decrementing. Here the code I want to write is cout I, and after also we have to write. I will print it in the next line. In the Control S and Control Alt N. Up to 100 it is printed. First of all, how the control is going is I equals to 1. I equals to 1. Then it checks the condition. I less than or equal to 100. The condition is correct. Here I will write it in the comments. First of all, I equals to 1. Then it checks the condition. I greater than or equal to I less than or equal to 100. The condition is correct. So after that it will come here, cout I, this line. I value is now 1. So I will be printed first, and after that it goes to incrementation here. I plus plus means I became 2 now. I became 2. And after that it checks the condition here. I less than or equal to 100 means 2 less than or equal to 100. The condition is correct. 2 less than or equal to 100. The condition is correct. After that, the cout line will execute. Cout I value is now 2. And after that, I incrementation. I incrementation means 2 incrementation. 2 plus plus, it becomes 3. Now I value is 3. 3 less than or equal to 100. The condition is correct. I will be printed out. Like that up to 99. When it comes 99 less than or equal to 100. So I will be printed means I is equals to 99. 99 will be printed out. And after that I is incremented. 99 is incremented. 100. I less than or equal to 100. Here also the condition is true because 100 is equal to true. 100 will be printed. After that I becomes 101. Now 101 is less than or equal to 100. This condition false here. 101 less than or equal to 100. This condition is false. The control key will come out of it. So up to 100 it will be printing out the numbers. And loops, all the loops are same, but only the syntax is different. Second one is while loop. While loop, the syntax is initialization will be here only. Initialization will be in the starting, and after that while keyword, in the brackets condition, and in the curly braces we will write the code, and updation will also be in the curly braces. We will see it same example. I want to print 1 to 100 numbers using while loop. Initialization should be in the starting, so I is equals to 1. It is initialization. Now while keyword, and then in the brackets the condition is less than or equal to 100. Here I will write the code cout I, and after that I plus plus incrementation updation will be in the bottom of this curly braces, and I will run the code. You can see 1 to 100 it is printed. Here the control is how the control is going is, first I is equals to 1, then it checks the condition I less than or equal to 100. That means 1 less than or equal to 100. The condition is true, so the control will come here. Cout I value is 1 will be printed out. After that I is incremented, means I becomes now 2. I is equals to 2 less than or equal to 100. Here the condition is correct, so 2 will printed out. Like that I is equals to 3. I is equals to 3. Now 3 less than or equal to 100. The condition is true. 3 less than or equal to 100. The condition is true. We will be printing out 3. Like that for 100 is less than or equal to 100. The condition is true only, because 100 is equals to 100. So 100 will be printed out. After that 101. When it comes to 101 less than or equal to 100. Here the condition is false. Okay, here the condition is false. 101 less than or equal to 100. The condition is false, means the control will come out of this while loop. So until 100 it will print. And do while syntax for the do while is same. Initialization will be in the starting, and after that do keyword. In the curly braces we will write the code and updation, and condition will be at the bottom. While and condition, the condition will be in the bottom. Same example with the do while is I is equals to 1. After that do. Okay, here in the VS Code we will directly get the code. Do code is cout I, increment I plus plus, and while I less than or equal to same 100. Here semicolon, control is control out, and after 100 it is printing. So with this code, with these loops, we can print. It reduces the time. Generally it takes a lot of time to write manually. So using these loops we can save our time also. So loops are important.